Scrappy, you pissing boy? Bet you any money they'll be calling off school really quick today. Look at that, eh? The weather, there's the cops. Patrolling, hating, trying to catch Johnny riding dirty. Whiteout conditions in the Pickerhood today, folks. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting whiteout conditions in the Pickerhood, as you can tell. Friggin' snow is coming in big time. We're supposed to get 7 inches. We already got a few. Dog was out earlier. You can see his tracks are filling in. Snow is coming in big time in the Pickerhood. Yesterday we were getting waves. Today it's a friggin' snowstorm. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Barely see the semi. That's pretty friggin' cool. Yep, blizzard in the Pickerhood today. Blizzard in the friggin' Pickerhood. Why they had school today, I have no idea. I have no friggin' clue why they would have school today. It's cold. Alright YouTube, where am I at today? The Arctic Circle, you ain't gonna believe it. Yesterday we didn't have no snow. Look at it today. Blizzard, whiteout conditions and everything. Oh yeah, we got a big blizzard running through the Pickerhood. Look at that. Holy shit, man. We got a lot of snow so far. Lots of freaking snow today. Big blizzard running through the Pickerhood. Look, you can't even see the cars in the parking lot. Big old blizzy. Yep, snowstorm rolling through the Pickerhood. I'll tell you how much snow we get on the end of this. This is going to be video 1. Hold on, let me clear our vision. We're getting a little snowy. Gotta use the wipers, boys. It's like being in a car. This is friggin' nuts. You see down the street. There's the gas station. Then there's down 32. Holy shit, man. Check this shit out, folks. Few inches of snow so far. Look at 30 friggin' 2 today. Nobody on that beast. This dude's already got his snow blower out. I'm 32, ladies and gentlemen. Alpena, Michigan. I gotta get out of the neighbor's way. He's probably gonna powerhouse it up out of here today. Let's check that situation out. Oh, not even gonna try. Ripping. Let's check them out. Gonna make a nice little video. Oh, we got a traffic pile up back here today. I'm 32, ladies and gentlemen, 55 miles an hour. They're going about 20. There's the school bus. They actually had school today. School is canceled. Friggin' school canceled. Risking all the little kids' lives to get a little bit of education. Edumacations. Look at that. I can't even turn that way. 360 snowstorm, folks. Holy shit, man. whiteout conditions, as you can tell. This is M32, Alpena, Michigan. I got snow coming in my coat. Ripping. Ripping. Just ripping. This is awesome. Friggin' awesome. Look at how much snow we got so far. No joke in the picture hood. I can't see a thing. All I got is snow on my camera, folks. All we got's a bunch of friggin' snow. Windshield wipe off my camera lens. Look at that. Hazards on and shit. M32, Alpena, Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Look, you can tell. It's a blizzard, folks. People are snow blowing. Been waiting for this guy to go by. It's about time. Shit. Road after they plowed it. This guy's getting over, letting the other guy pass. He says, this son of a bitch going too fast. Winter in Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. As you can tell, I'm cold. Look at it. One last 360 and I'm getting back inside.